everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your IBC Mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your IBC Mortgage account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in ibc.com and make a search. The official page of IBC account will appear on the screen. Click on Sign In option at the top right corner of the page. On the next page, enter your login ID and tap on Sign In. Now enter a password associated with your IBC Mortgage account and tap on Submit. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Your Password option. This is how you can log into your IBC Mortgage account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.